Robots fight. Wow, look at this sweet there from our Tutorial Boss. Comes in wide open. Who's controlling Tutorial? He is. Is that Thomas? Oh, he was just trying to behind it, that's all. I didn't even see Brian, it's just a way, so he just tried to behind it. That one, it's turning in over aggressive in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. After release after 10 seconds, that goes through control for Tutorial Boss. Show them how it's done. Try and get that drum spinning. Oh, a little bit of damage there to the front of Tutorial Boss. And another pin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Tutorial Boss going to let Jaguar get back his bearings. Jaguar may have lost weapon on that last exchange, I'm not real sure. Oh, it looks like he's still okay. He says, I'm trying to get the pin, I'm going to do the monkey pin. Alright. Oh, a solid hit. Jaguar for some damage pin. Another control in 10, 9, 8, 7, no pin release. 25 seconds left on the clock in this match. And Jaguar will do all he can to get around the speed of Tutorial Boss. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and release, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Fight, Robots, fight! Plenty of speed from Tutorial Boss. Spectacular looking to be up. It looks like we got a pin. Not enough there. Spectacular looking to be spinning. He may have lost his head and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. That is in full control there as it backs towards. Oh, he was nice enough to get off there at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Robots release. Now it looks like we do not have any weapon, so this is just control. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. We have no weapon from Spectacular. It looks like it's been able to lose its weapon, but he's still got plenty of drive. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. It looks like we have 25 seconds left in this match. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Plenty of control here for Tutorial Boss. Look at the speed that 6S Motors providing. There's nothing that Spectacular can do other than get off me. Full control. It looks like if you can stay up there. That was fantastic. Plenty of control and ability here with 6S shining through Tutorial Boss. Showing them how it's done. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. And time. All right, this is 3, 2, 1. Fight, Robots, fight. Right out of the gate in Team 3, looking to do some serious damage. Oh, hits Tutorial Boss, but not a lot of damage there. Tutorial Boss looking for his opportunity to pin it. This is a good match here. Tutorial Boss, I believe, mostly made on moves like Team 3 looking to get in. Yeah. We got smoke.